Happy 2023. Happy New Year. If I look interesting, it's because I should. Just woke up, stayed at a friend's New Year's party, and now I'm heading home. I got 4 hours of sleep, so it's gonna be a rest day. Major rest day. With the side of working out and good stuff, but like big rest day. This shower is about to feel so good. We went to bed at 4. I woke up at 8 to drive home, and I'm not like hungover, but I do have a, I'll tell you later. Why is the shower squeaking? I was trying to say that I wasn't really feeling hungover. However, my head's starting to hurt. So I just took some ibuprofen. I'm having my first food item of 75 hard. It's been a few hours. I need some food in my stomach, you know? I think I'm gonna like log everything. So I'm gonna take a picture of this lovely, glorious banana. I am debating on grabbing a coffee on the way out. My rule or like guidelines for coffee is I can still order coffee out, but I'll probably just do something more plain, a little like less sugar. You know, I'm not gonna get like all the crazy creams and flavors. As much as I'm gonna let myself live and like have the coffee, get the coffee, whatever. This is a challenge and I wanna do it within reason and I wanna actually like be challenged. So, I just filled my tank. Let's go home, let's go home. Great job, great job. Oh, you're such a good cameraman. Got Dunkin'. I just got a plain iced coffee with oat milk. Homeward bound. Don't get that close, I look icky. See ya. That's enough. Made it home. I will not be doing anything productive for at least a little while. I think we're gonna start a movie and I'm having peanut butter pretzels as a snack because I also have no food because we need to go grocery shopping. We'll get our shit together in like a minute, but like, I need some time. We just watched like half the movie and I did fall asleep because I'm running on a very low battery. I am gonna throw my sheets in the wash and take Dunks for a walk. Take this boy for a walk. A 45-minute walk, so it can be like my first like workout technically of the day of 75 hard. Maybe I'll make a smoothie when we get back from a walk. That actually sounds like super refreshing and yummy. I'm not doing like a crazy like whole reset, all this stuff, because I feel like I've been like preparing for the new year for like, I don't know, a week now. But sheets need to be washed. There is nothing like a fresh, clean set of bedding. Next up, a nice long walk. I'm like legit gonna set a timer for 45 minutes, so it's like at least 45 minutes because walking like around where I usually walk is definitely not 45 minutes, so I'm probably gonna have to, you know, just figure out like a new path that'll work for me, but I could go for a nice long walk. It's like almost 40 degrees out, which is nice today. Dunks could use a walk. I feel like after, especially after a night of drinking, I just like need to sweat everything out, which is crazy because I won't be able to say that for the next 3 months. Which I'm like not mad about at all. I know a lot of people do like dry January, so it's a quiet month for drinking anyway. Come here. Good boy, set your new harness. He's actually so chill when I put his harness on. I feel like a lot of dogs like don't like harness or, you know, it's like going at your face because it has to go like through here. Like, I'm surprised. I will let you know what podcast episodes I end up listening to. I usually listen to everything on 1.2 speed because, you know, that's how I talk basically, at least. We're at like 30 minutes, we still have 15 more to go and he does not want to go. Good boy. I will tell you that walk was definitely way longer than we normally go. That was probably like double what we normally do. I mean, it was great and it's so good to have fresh air, but I'm just saying it makes me realize that our regular walks are pretty short. I obviously didn't have Bloom this morning because I was like an hour and a half away and I woke up not at my house, you know, whatever. So I just made myself some Bloom. I didn't bring you in the kitchen because we have like people at our house, so I just figured I'd like make it and come down here. But still need to get it in, especially because I haven't like been eating much today because I was drinking last night. You know how it goes, right? Tomorrow will be like more of a routine day, but I had to vlog the first day of the new year and the first day of 75 hard. The citrus flavor is the best, I swear. So we got some greens and some veggies in, which is exciting. I had a banana this morning, obviously, but I wanted some more protein and some berries. So I just literally threw in frozen strawberries and vanilla protein and water. And I'm going to have this little smoothie. It's so cute, pretty and pink, and it's yummy. I mean, it doesn't taste like anything crazy. It's literally strawberries and vanilla protein. I just went and switched the laundry from the wash to the dryer, and I'm thinking now, while I finish my smoothie, now would be a great time to start the book. I have not read a book in forever, and I simply, like, growing up like my entire life, I've just simply not been a reader. So this is new for me. Reading is so good for you, but I'm excited for this because this book is so like raved about, and like it's something I'm interested in. It's not like a storyline where like maybe I'll get bored and then I'll quit the book. This is actually about self-improvement, and I can relate it to my life, so hopefully it gets me hooked. 10 pages. Here we go. Here we go. Tiny changes, remarkable results, atomic habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. Okay, first 10 pages are read. It's very nice because it's actually like a great stopping point. And I really like how this book is set up. Like the introduction was nice, it explains a lot. It's like personal, and then we get into the nitty gritty tomorrow with the next 10 pages. I also feel like this is a super awesome book to start with for 75 Hard, because 75 Hard is like essentially specific habits that you're doing for 75 days. It's a challenge, right? They're like intense, they're difficult, but this is all about habits. Like it just kind of makes sense. Like they go hand in hand. Sheets are clean. Let's make this bed. Bed is made. I mean, it's not like perfect, but I'm literally gonna get in it in a little bit. I haven't done like my first progress picture yet, so I need to do that right now. Then the second workout. Oh, something I always use. This is not new. I've been using this for like 2 years now, but this is a half-gallon water bottle, so I just have to drink 2 of these a day. I already refilled this once, so I've drinking 1 so far, but we still got a ways to go. Okay, I just took before shots, and I'm not gonna show them to you because I'm gonna do an entire 75 Hard video, so you'll see that probably like end of March, which is so exciting. I definitely feel a little like, you know, the holidays just happened, which is fine. Regardless of if I was doing 75 Hard, I feel like my body would kind of adjust within the next like 2 weeks anyway, as I like get back into a routine, and I'm not in a daze, you know, the week between Christmas and New Year's, like nothing makes sense. So check. I need to put on leggings and do my second workout. Not gonna lie, before I took like the before pictures or whatever, we just finished the second half of the movie, and I like did not want to get up and do not want to work out. But now that I'm like up and I actually changed and put on an outfit, I'm like, okay, like it's fine, like I can do it. But getting started is just almost all of the battle, honestly. Okay, half the battle, half the battle. That workout was challenging, and it felt way longer than 45 minutes. But when you do like a full body workout, especially something that's so focused on areas like Pilates, I feel like you can tell so quick what you're good at and what you're not good at. So it's a good evaluation. I just placed a grocery order pickup for tomorrow. I was gonna go over all of that tonight, but I'm literally so tired, so I'm gonna finish my water and go to bed, and I'm gonna take you with me to pick up the groceries and show you what I got and why I picked what I did, so. Also, obviously this day was a little bit different because it's literally the New Year's, so like I woke up like not even in my bed. So the rest of the days from here on out will probably look a little bit different, but I wanted to vlog the first day. And I know I didn't eat much and I had like weird, like random things. Stay tuned for more regular days if you want to know. But yeah, that's how today went. See you in the morning. So last night I actually took a long time to like put groceries together and stuff, so I didn't want to film it because it was gonna be like minutes and minutes and minutes long of me staring at my iPad and my computer, you know, whatever. So the first thing I thought of was, what is a good meal to make for dinner this week? Maybe not all week, but at least like some of the days. And we both agreed we wanted to make a soup. So I looked just on Pinterest, like a healthy soup recipe, whatever. So I found this lemon chicken orzo soup recipe that I think will be really good. So I got all the ingredients for that. And then I mentioned in my last video this TikTok I saw that was called the 3-3-2 rule, essentially for grocery shopping. I will link the TikTok here as well, but it's 2 sources of protein, 3 veggies, and 3 fruits. But she kind of like goes in and describes, it's from a dietitian, by the way. She goes in and describes like examples and how she puts it together. And her goal is basically for people to use this method and end up with like actual meals to put together throughout the week, and not just like random ingredients where you have like a banana and chicken and rice and you're like, well, I'm not gonna eat this every, you know, whatever. And then there's this deal at our grocery store. If you spend $75, you get 15 off for a pickup. So I ended up getting extra stuff now, but I did get extra stuff that won't go bad because I am bad about letting things go bad. I'm good about like eating my produce, but I feel like I don't cook it in meals enough because I'm totally an ingredients buyer, like the TikTok girl was trying to tell people not to be. But so I got all the soup recipe. I checked off, do I have everything for coffee? What variety do I want for breakfasts, lunches, and then the dinner, things like that. I also have frozen meatballs, and so I got rice. Maybe I'll put that and like heat up some broccoli and throw it with it. So I just wanted to show you like what my groceries ended up looking like. I also got canned like beans and stuff so I could put together a burrito bowl. I'm gonna make a bunch of chicken today and kind of maybe end up freezing some of it so it doesn't go bad, but use it throughout the week. I also have been referencing, I made a Pinterest board with a bunch of 75 hard inspo meals and stuff, so I'm gonna try to put a lot of those together. So I'll link the board that I reference, and this is, I don't know, everything I picked up this morning in case you want to see. And again, my 75 hard like nutrition plan isn't anything like too complex and too crazy. I normally eat pretty clean. Again, everything's in air quotes because I feel like food is such a taboo topic, but in general, so I'm just gonna be a little bit stricter on like less sugar, higher protein. I do need to reorder the protein I buy. I just get it on Amazon. So I will do that and then I will be good for groceries. But that was my first day of 2023, first day of 75 hard. Again, very like random weird day. I ate healthy, but I didn't eat a lot because again, you know, I was like drinking the night before, so I woke up and didn't want anything in my body. But today is already off to like a more normal start. Whatever. If you want to see, I will do like in-depth full days of 75 hard and like go into really what I eat and the exact workouts I'm doing, like more in-depth and details and stuff if you want to see that. This is also very realistic on New Year's Day because I wanted to sleep all day. I didn't want to be productive every second of the day because I was, you know, a little tired and exhausted from drinking and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I am really excited about this, excited to learn, excited to challenge myself, and I will keep you updated with the journey. If you want to see anything specific from me in 2023, please leave a comment. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe. Hope your 2023 is off to a great start. I am cheering you on. Good luck, and I'll see you in my next one.